Different ways of taking food. Each species or type of organism has their own way of taking in food. Bees and hummingbirds suck plant nectars, infant of humans and some animals feed on mother's milk, snakes such as python consume the animals upon which they prey. Aquatic animals filter small food particles floating close by and feed on them. Digestion in humans. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system in humans. This constitutes the whole path along which food moves through the body, starting from the mouth and ending at the anus. Digestive tract includes the esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, salivary glands, liver and pancreas are the major digestive glands. Buccal cavity. The buccal cavity is more commonly known as the mouth, and it is the beginning of the digestive system for humans. It consists of the tongue and teeth. Teeth helps in chewing food and breaking down food into smaller particles. Tongue, fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. Saliva is secreted in the mouth and helps in the breakdown of food. Tongue. It is a muscular organ, fleshy in nature, attached to the back of the base of the buccal cavity. It helps in mixing saliva with food while chewing and aids in swallowing. The tongue possesses taste buds that help us recognize different tastes. Tooth decay. Bacteria present in mouth break down the sugars present from the leftover food and release acid. These acids gradually damage the teeth and results in tooth decay. Esophagus or food pipe. The food that is swallowed passes into the esophagus. It is a muscular tube, about 25 cm long, with a sphincter valve opening at each end. Its function is to transport food and fluid, after being swallowed, from the mouth to the stomach. Food is propelled down by as there in movement through the walls of the food pipe. Stomach. It is a thick-walled bag-like structure. It obtains food from the food pipe and opens into the small intestine towards the other opening. The inner lining of the stomach produces mucus, hydrochloric acid (HCl), and other digestive juices. Food is churned into semi-solid mass in the stomach. Enzymes present in the gastric juice disintegrate the food. Hydrochloric acid helps in partial digestion of proteins and also kills harmful bacteria. Small intestine. This is a highly coiled organ of 7.5 meters length. It receives secretion from the liver and pancreas. Complete digestion and absorption of food take place in the small intestine. The inner walls of the intestine have finger-like outgrowth called villi. Villi increase the surface area for absorption of food. Each villus has a small network of blood vessels. Absorbed food by villi is transferred to the body via blood vessels. Large intestine. It is wider and shorter than the small intestine. It is 1.5 meters in length. The absorption of water and salt from undigested food occurs in the large intestine. Remaining waste matter is passed out through the rectum. Time to time, fecal matter is removed through the anus. Egestion. Anus. The anus is the opening at the end of the human digestive tract. The removal of fecal matter from the large intestine occurs through the anus, and this process is called egestion. The next part will come